Good morning. Next, we are going to discuss geometric or point method of calculating elasticity of demand. What is the meaning of geometric and point method? Geometric and point method is nothing but taking the point on the demand curve and calculating the elasticity of demand of that particular point by using this formula. ED is equal to lower segment upon upper segment. ED is equal to lower segment upon upper segment. So this is the graph which I already drawn on the board. Y-axis represents the price, x-axis represents the demand, and this is the demand curve. Okay, I had taken 5 points on the demand curve. Okay, so you can take any number of points on the demand curve and you can calculate the elasticity of demand of that particular point by using this formula, lower segment upon upper segment. I had taken 5 points on the demand curve and I had given the equal measurement of each and every point. That means what, AB is equal to 5 unit, BC is equal to 5 unit, then CD is equal to 5 unit, DE is equal to 5 unit. Now I am going to calculate the elasticity of demand of point A. A is equal to lower segment upon upper segment. Okay, what is the lower segment? 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower segment has got 4 unit. There is no upper segment. So lower segment is what? 4 unit. There is no upper segment. Upper segment is 0. So elasticity of demand of point A is equal to infinity. Elasticity of demand of point A is equal to infinity. That means what? Slight change or no change in the price. Slightly change or no change in the price leads to drastic increment of the demand. Drastic increase of demand of that particular product. If there is no change in the demand, if there is no change in the price, the demand will increase drastically, or slight change in the price, the demand will increase drastically. That only that represents that ED is equal to infinity. That means what, the point A, that the elasticity of demand on point A is equal to infinity. That means what, demand is what, changing drastically compared to the price of the commodity. Now I am going to check the ED of point B. Point B is equal to lower segment upon upper segment. Lower segment is what? I am having the lower segment, I am having the 3 unit. Upper segment I am having 1 unit. Lower segment 3 unit, upper segment 1 unit. That means what? ED is what? 3. Here the ED is what? Greater than 1. That means what? The price as 5 unit of price is what? Rising up. I am having a 10 unit of demand is falling down. Okay, price is what? Rising up to 5 unit. Demand has fallen up to 10 unit. That is what? ED is what? Greater than 1. Now I am going to check the ED of point C. Point C, the lower segment I am having 2 unit. Upper segment also I am having 2 unit. Lower segment upon upper segment, that means what? 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. That means what? ED is equal to 1. That means what? Unitary elastic. That means what? 5 unit of price is rising up, same 5 unit of demand has fallen down. That is what? ED is equal to 1. Okay, now I am going to check the ED of D. D is equal to lower segment. Lower segment I am having 1 unit, upper segment I am having 3 unit. Okay, that means what? 1 upon 3, that is ED is equal to 0.33. That means what? ED is what? Less than 1. Suppose my price has risen up to 5 unit, my demand has fallen down to 2 or 3 unit. That means what? ED is what? Less than 1. Okay, now I am going to calculate the ED of point E. ED of point E. Point E is equal to lower segment upon upper segment. Lower segment this is what the lower segment. I am not having any lower segment portion. I am having the upper segment, 4 unit. I am having the upper segment. That means what, lower segment is 0, upper segment is 4, is equal to 0. That is what, E, the ED of point E is equal to 0. That means what, no change in the demand. Understood? Okay. So to sum up all this, I am having a small graph here. Okay, this is what the price, and this is what quantity demanded. Okay, this is what y-axis, this is what x-axis. This is what ED is what, infinity. ED is what, infinity. That means what, this curve, this curve. Okay, ED is what, infinity. And this is what, B, point B. E is what, greater, ED is what, E is what, greater than 1, and here E is what, equal to 1, E is what, less than 1, and E here, this curve is what, E is equal to 0. That means what, E is what, equal to 0. So to sum up this point, I am having this graph. You can see this graph also. Okay, so this is very easy topic, geometric method or point method of calculating the price so for calculating the elasticity of demand. This is what, just an extension of ratio method. In next video lecture, we will discuss the expenditure method of calculating the elasticity of demand. Thanks.